Shimpo Instruments. Measuring quality. The DT360 family of high-intensity LED stroboscopes are velocity analyzing and measuring devices, ideal for machinery process inspection and speed determination. These stroboscopes are capable of flashing their LED lights in a synchronous frequency to the operating machinery, creating the visual illusion of slowed or frozen images. Utilizing this phenomenon, locating problems or defects in machinery can be immediately diagnosed. The speed of the process is also established, as it coincides with the flash rate speed of the stroboscope when in the frozen state. The model DT361 is line-powered and typically permanently mounted on or near machinery, where the DT365 and DT365E possess internal, rechargeable batteries, allowing them to be utilized in applications requiring portability. The LEDs not only provide a far brighter output than xenon bulbs, they also last far longer, eliminating downtime and maintenance costs associated with replacing burned-out bulbs. Additional benefits of LED lights compared to xenon are their silent operation and minimal heat output. The flash rate of the LEDs is adjustable over a vast range from 60 to 120,000 flashes per minute. For fine-tuning, the flash rate is altered by the integral rotatable dial. To quickly move throughout the range, the ×2 division by 2 multiplier buttons enable large span adjustments by doubling or halving the current viewed flash rate. For instant flash rate adjustment, the load save key allows storage and retrieval of rate settings for on-site instant flash rate output. Besides being designed with a very robust NEMA 4X, IP65 enclosure, and universal 100 to 230 volt power input, the DT361 and 365s offer a slew of functionality that provides flexibility when viewing various machines and processes. The bright red LED display and icons on the operation panel aid user feedback during usage in dimly lit locations, common when used in and around large machinery and hard to access locations. The signal key scrolls between internal and external operation control. When in internal mode, the flash rate is controlled by the user via the operation panel. In external mode, the stroboscope's flash rate is controlled by a remotely connected sensor, such as a magnetic or proximity sensor, often used on gears or motors, gap sensors, commonly used on printing lines, or rotary encoders, which often connect in-line to a motor or rotating shaft. Nidec Shimpo offers several styles of sensors for your processes. Check out our website at www.shimpoinst.com and click the Products menu, then Speed and Sensors for additional details on our offering. The sensor trigger activation that allows flash activation to occur with the rising or falling edge of the external sensor's pulse, plus the delay adjustment, assists the operator in setting up the synchronization of the stroboscope's flash output with the exact process speed. The DT361 and 365 provide added convenience with their 12-volt output to power an external sensor. This creates a closed loop and eliminates a separate power supply requirement. The DT365E can be connected to any compatible NPN-style sensor. Another connection capability of the DT361 and DT365 is the ability to daisy chain multiple units. The units connected downstream will be controlled by the upstream master stroboscope. All stroboscopes on the loop will output simultaneous flashes. This capability enables operation on larger scale applications which require additional light output capacity. The flash duration feature allows adjustment of the length of time the light array remains active. The result of this adjustment enables the user to adjust the brightness versus clarity or sharpness of the slowed or frozen image. The longer the lights remain lit, the brighter the image. However, it will appear less crisp or clear. With the longest duration setting, the image may even appear to slightly move or flutter. The shorter the length of the flash duration, the dimmer the image, but the view will be much more sharp and crisp. When the stroboscope has created the illusion of a frozen or static image on rotating or reciprocating objects, the phase shift function is used to delay or advance in degrees of time between the flash rate and the actual speed of the moving object. Phase shifting is used to examine the entire circumference of a gear or reciprocating machine while in operation. From the static frozen view, pressing the plus key will give the illusion that the object is moving in the opposite or reverse direction of the actual rotation of the process. Pressing the minus key will give the illusion that the object is moving with the actual rotating direction of the process. This unique feature allows the operator to examine the object in slow motion, providing a real-time view for predictive and preventative maintenance. With all these functions, the DT361 and DT365 and DT365E can be used in a myriad of applications, ranging from maintenance inspection of machinery to permanent mount continuous processes where operators need to check output quality often or continually as required. A few common applications include textile machinery, industrial equipment maintenance and repair, printing press quality control, engine research and development, machinery vibration analysis, the inspection of compressors, fans, motors, and pumps, and many more. At our Nidec Shimpo Calibration Lab, we can provide NIST traceability certification for all the DT360 series stroboscopes we offer. We thank you for watching our introductory video on our DT360 line of stroboscopes. Please visit our website at www.shimpoints.com to obtain additional details and documentation.